So you lost the Facebook algorithm war. What are you gonna do? We're gonna teach you how. I'm super passionate about this event coming up. A lot of changes have been happening and coming down the line from Facebook. If you're a creator and you're on Facebook, YouTube, we want to teach you how to expand into some of these new other areas. We're going to teach you what platforms are poised and positioned to potentially take over next. If you're a brand and you've recently been impacted by some of the recent Facebook algorithm changes and you're wondering how to offset some of that loss, we're going to teach you that. We're also going to talk about the importance of owning your own future, cultivating your own database. If you're a startup and you're just, you're in your nascent stages, we're going to set you up with sort of a good playbook on how to do this out of the gates across a few different platforms and make it very efficient for you as well. Our panel of experts is also going to tackle the subject of rethinking the role of paid in social media. I'm excited to hear from a variety of different experts who are all trying to figure it out just like we are. Come join us April 17th, 7 to 9 p.m., but don't forget to come early and get your network on. I think it's important to network because it's a little bit of group therapy at times.